here is how we can turn on word suggestions on Android. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So it all comes down to which keyboard app you are using. For example, on my Android Samsung phone, I have the Samsung keyboard, Swift key from Microsoft, as well as a Gboard from Google. So whenever I'm typing something on my device, you can see I can switch between the keyboards and actually decide which one I want to use. And it's important because every single keyboard has its own settings. For example, if I'm using the Gboard right here, I have the ability to tap on the settings right here, go to preferences, and manage all of the stuff right here. So I could basically just change the settings for this app. So I could go to the text corrections and show the suggestion strip could be turned on or off. Depends on how you like it. So you can obviously enable all of these things, right? So you can enable all of that stuff in this settings, but this will only apply to situations when I'm using the Gboard for typing. If I switch to the Samsung keyboard, then I have to change the settings inside of the main settings app. I can look it up like this, and I will have the ability to change the settings of my keyboard right here. So that is basically the other place where I can do it. So here it's called predictive tags and suggesting stickers, emojis, auto replace, and stuff like that, which you can manage, as I said, specifically for the Samsung keyboard. So that would be all from me. If you have any further questions about this, let me know below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it. And I'm going to see you later in the next tutorials as well.